Welcome back, Elock Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome. Today we're planting blueberries. I'd rather underdo it than overdo it. So I'm just gonna put, this is how I cook. No measurements, I just shake, 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 eyeball it. If it tastes good, then it's all right. Soil acidifier, I'm just gonna, that's about a handful, not quite a full handful. And for the berry tone, I'm gonna do about maybe just a little bit more. So maybe about that. Hopefully I didn't overdo it, but we will see. So we'll know if we've done a good job based on how the plants respond. So I'm just working this in.
She don't follow, she lead. She plant it, she grow it, she live what she speak.
.22-inch whiskey barrel, pretty large, plenty of room for growth. I think I got it mixed in pretty good. For now, these two bushes, they're going to share the same planter. Let me show you my new babies. Okay, this is the Northland blueberry. My new baby. Yes, they are young and tender.
Young and tender.
So yeah, we're gonna get them planted and they're gonna share this whiskey barrel. 22-inch whiskey barrel. That's what it looks like inside. Empty and full. Okay, so let's get these potted up.
The sun say check, wind down vibes, she pouring it smooth, talk truth, drop gems, got that grown woman groove. Young and tender, she don't fake that, grow it from the root, then she plate that. OCD chick better state that, E-lock rolling deep.
I'm gonna open up these roots so they can fan out, stretch out. Okay. Gonna level it.
She plant it, she grow it, she live what she speak.
Just open it up or fillet it. No deeper than the soil level here. Just gonna meet the soil level here.
OCD chick, she don't follow, she lead. She plant it, she grow it, she live what she speak.
Water it in really well. Okay. Pine bark nugget. Helps to promote moisture retention.
Tomatoes so ripe, make the sun say check. Wind down vibes, she pouring it smooth. Talk truth, drop gems, got that grown woman groove. Young and tender, she don't fake that. Grow it from the root, then she plate that. OCD chick better state that. E-lock rolling deep, can't break that. Young and tender, bringing that flame from the dirt to the dish. She changing the game.
The mulch will help to retain all of that moisture in the soil. So I want to allow rainwater to get in and that sort of thing, so I'm not covering the base of the plant here. Okay, I'm being OCD. Let me stop it. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.